This is T-Bird. He is mellow, gentle, little bit lazy at times when he's being held. He's relaxed. He's expressive. He shows confidence once he is on the ground and romping around, but he's really calm when you're holding him. We kind of call him a couch potato. He was a really good retriever and he loves the ball.
Ready? Yep. Good boy. Oh, thank you. What a gentleman. Go. Thank you. One more time. You get one more time. Go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're so smart. Good job. Okay.
The retrieving thing is good too.
Oh, the belly. Oh my. There's the look. There is a happy boy. There's a happy boy. Oh.